Hi, everyone out there. Bernie Tully, personal injury and wrongful death lawyer from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Wanted to talk to you today about dog bites leading to infection, leading to the wrongful death of an individual and their consequences. It is very rare that a severe dog bite incident would lead to a fatality. However, they do occur. And for an example, recently a 71-year-old woman was doing volunteer work. She had just started at a dog shelter, and without any training at all, the shelter gave the woman a pit bulldog to walk. The pit bulldog had violent tendencies or propensities and actually mauled the 71-year-old woman severely while she was walking the dog. That did not cause the death of the poor woman. However, she developed an infection and sepsis came into her body, and she ultimately did die from the dog bites that were inflicted by the pit bull. So a wrongful death can occur even from a dog attack. And in that particular case, the particular facility, the shelter, they gave the woman who was a volunteer just a leash and this dog with violent propensities and said, walk it. And no training, no telling what the dog's past dog biting incidents may have been involved. It led to her death. And we represent families of wrongful death cases where a person dies through the negligence or carelessness of someone else. In that particular incident, the shelter, who has insurance, significant insurance, did not properly train the woman to take care of the dogs or to give the woman a dog with violent propensities without any context or explanation of what they should be doing or watching out for. Those are the kind of cases where the families have to deal with these tragedies that occur based upon the negligence of someone else. And that's what we do to try to get compensation to the families of wrongful death victims. Bernie Tully, personal injury lawyer from Pittsburgh, but I wanted to emphasize to you that we've been doing this for 40 years now at the law firm of Tully Tully, and that we travel all throughout the state for any serious, catastrophic, wrongful death case, and we're available to you 24/7. If you give us a try by calling us at 412-281-8700, you'll learn in the initial phone call that we're a caring, compassionate firm. We're not a member of 50 lawyers where you get signed up with for a wrongful death case as a family member. You open up an estate, and then you find out that 6 months later there's somebody else at that law firm that now represents you that's been out of law school for 2 years. That's not what we do. When we get involved, we're with you all the way throughout the case. We're worth a phone call for your wrongful death, dog bite, or any other type of case that involves a death of another individual, your family member, through the negligence of someone else. Thank you for listening to me, and give us a call, 412-281-8700. Thank you.